y'all, it's Taren. Welcome back to my channel. Let's do a little shopping. I'm at the outlets in Foley. I come here pretty often now, and that's because they keep closing stores that carry plus size in my town. Though today we're going to Gap. I debated between Gap and Maurice's. I mentioned recently that I'm on the hunt for tall length jeans, and I had several people suggest Maurice's. So that was my plan until yesterday. And then I got an ad for some Gap things. So I think we're going to go into Gap today, though they are literally next door to each other. I did put that hot pink, I'll put a picture of it here, the hot pink sweatsuit with the wide leg pants and the logo hoodie. I did put that on my Christmas list. I actually put a bunch of stuff in my cart on Gap's website yesterday, and I was going to order it and just do a haul at home. And then I thought, you know what? Let's come in store and see if I can try anything on, because I don't know if I need an extra large, an extra large, tall length, regular length. So let's just try it all on. I will do my very best to link everything in the description box down below for you. It's also 78 degrees today. I wore shorts. I hope that wasn't a mistake, but it's sunny. Other people are wearing short sleeves and shorts as well. So to be fair, this is an exploration shopping trip for me. I need to see what sizes I need so that I can add an addendum to my Christmas list and put the exact sizes. If I see something else I need, then who's to say I shouldn't get it? I'm also looking at the storefront and it says 40%, extra 40% off. Another sign, I see a bunch of percentages off. Update, it is definitely warm enough for shorts, but they have their big Christmas tree out. How cute is this? It's much bigger up close. Wow. How pretty. I bet it's beautiful at night. Oh, hi, there I am. I am loving all of the logo stuff. How cute is all of that with the plaid? It's been a while since I've been inside this Gap factory. I usually go to the one over in Gulfport. Look, first thing I spot is one of these barn jackets. I got one from Old Navy, which Old Navy and Gap are pretty much the same thing. What are all of these sweaters? Cash soft. I saw that on their website. Is it like a mix between cashmere and a different fabric? It says best-selling fabric that feels cashmere soft. I love this yellow. 90s straight. I do like a 90s straight. This green color is really pretty. Let's see what sizes they do in store. Typically we just pull from the back. I see 20. I see 18. Let's take the 18. Actually, I think I'm gonna take them in this blue jean color versus the corduroy. This could be such a cute outfit. The yellow with the denim. What is this? Super light pull-on baggy. Also comes in this color. That seems very comfortable. Take an extra 50% off. Let's pull one of these too. I see a large, but I think that's the largest size they have. Maybe in this color. I see extra large, extra large. Okay, let's take an extra large, because that could be like the perfect, most comfortable jean, right? This looks very cute. Oh, also comes in this print. I think I like this one a little bit better. These say take an extra 60% off. These ribbed mock neck tops are really cute. I like the stripe. Oh my gosh, how fun is this one? I feel like we should pull it. Let's see what sizes they have. Oh, extra small and small. Okay, a little velvet dress. That color is so pretty. 50% off of that one too. I did pull a black mock neck shirt and then this striped one I thought was cute. I will take a pair of these, thank you. Here's that same dress in a brown color. I did pull the steel gray blue color, but the brown is also pretty. Please tell me this is a skirt. It's a corduroy leopard print skirt. 14.10. No, wait, does this jacket match the jeans I just pulled? Yes, it does. If you wanted a little set, extra large. This is the color that I put on my Christmas list, I'm pretty sure. So it wasn't jogger bottoms, it was like a wide leg bottom. But this, hang on, that's not quite the same top. I wanted like a hoodie with the logo, but that color is it. This is giving Ralph Lauren vibes. How cute. I feel like everyone had the same idea. Small, extra small. You can even get the matching little shorts. This set is also cute. These are PJs, by the way. But the button up, I like that with a short option. All right, welcome to the motherland of matching sets. I don't see hot pink here, but I'm still gonna grab a couple because these look like wide leg bottoms, and we'll see what size I think I need. Also, I have a set, like a navy set like this from Hollister. It's jogger bottoms though, and I've worn it so much that it's getting a little bit worn. So if I could find me a new set, I wouldn't be mad about that. So I think these are zip up hoodies. There I am, hello. And then this side is a regular hoodie. This print is very cute. I saw this on the website too, but I don't see the matching bottoms. Do you know if y'all happen to have the matching bottoms for these? So they didn't have the blue floral or the pink floral in the sizes that I wanted. They didn't have the blue floral pants at all. So I got this one, though the bottoms are an extra large, the top is the zip up. It was hard to find these style pants with a regular hoodie that matched exactly. So I did get this though. Extra, extra large jacket, love. I love the zip. It's very cozy. Again, I love the logo. It does have a hoodie on it. I feel like the size fits perfect. These are the extra large regular length. I definitely need the extra, extra large and tall. See, they're stretching a little bit right there, but I like the matching logo. So pants are a no. However, I might could just get this jacket because I feel like it's so cute. This would be cute with jeans. You know what? Let me put on the jeans that I brought in. I think the bottoms being too small is throwing me off. 90s straight. I like these. They're very high-waisted. Like I'm gonna say 1.5 inches, 2 inches above my belly button. I ended up grabbing these in a 20. They didn't have an 18 in this style. I do like them. However, I just hauled, which I don't think you've seen at this point, a pair I got from Kohl's that are the same style, the 90s straight. They're a medium to high rise. I just like them a little bit better, but this is much cuter with jeans. I guess if I'm just getting the hoodie, like the zip up hoodie, I could really pick any color. I was trying to pick a matching set to show you, so I might get a different color, something a little bit brighter than the tan with the blue logo. Yellow cash soft, I'm pretty sure is what it said on that sign, and a size extra, extra large. I love. The arms are a little bit longer, a little bit wider. I feel like it's a looser, baggier fit. I just front tucked it into these jeans. I think the sweater is also a yes, because imagine it with the jeans that I like better at home. Yellow is my favorite color. So anytime I see something like this, like I already own a yellow sweatshirt, granted it says Dolphin Island across the front, but this I really like. It's pulling a little bit right there around the collar, so I'm gonna see if they have another one in this size. Hopefully they do. Love this striped shirt as well. It's a ribbed material, extra, extra large. I love the colors. I paired it with these high-rise, wide leg, and the animal print. They're a little bit short, but also I feel like I tried these on last time I was here and didn't love them. I'm gonna switch out for these chambray pull-on type pants. Wait, here's the jacket. In case you were wondering, extra large, matches perfectly. Could be a cute matching set, but I love that it matches exactly. All right, next outfit. Super light baggy, extra large. They're a pull-on, like wide leg pant. I need one size up for sure, but also I think a tall length I would just like a little bit better, but I like the idea of these. They were very easy to get on, like very comfortable. There's a slight like paper bag style waist to them. I think I would like these in a dark wash, one size up, tall length. Extra, extra large, black, mock neck, fitted, slightly ribbed. I really like this. I like a mock neck, I think, over a turtleneck. I just feel like it's not so overwhelming on the neck. This could be great for layering. I like the bit of, there you go, slight ribbing on it. I feel like it makes it a little bit nicer. I feel like this is a good basic. Could be cute with these pants. Pretty long too. It sits below where my hip and leg meet. Didn't this come in several colors too if you wanted something other than black? This is adorable. Size extra large. You can cinch, like tie this tighter to make it lower if you wanted to, make it a little bit higher. The cut of this is so pretty. So you've got elastic, like slight flare sleeves. I feel like it's more fitted here and kind of flares out a little bit. It's got a little slit down here. Hang on. Okay, there you go. I really like this, but I did just keep that burgundy, or reorder for the sale price, that burgundy dress from Old Navy. And I feel like it's very-ish similar cut to this one. Like I don't need both, but this would be really cute with cowboy boots. This could easily be like transition in between seasons. What was this, 60% off? This might be a maybe. Last item, this blue velvet mock neck dress. I love the top of it. Like if this was a top from here up, love. I tend to not love fitted things. I do like the ruching on the sides. It's just a little bit too fitted for me. So if you're looking for something like this, remember it also came in brown. It's a midi, almost maxi length on me. Could be cute with like a long trench coat and boots. All right, first things first. Let's see if there's a different color zip up that I like. So remember, this is the one that I just tried on. This blue one's pretty. I think I would like this one if it wasn't a shiny logo. Oh, that's cute with the animal print. I really like that one too. Take an extra 40% off. Let's see how much they are. $59.99. So 60 bucks with 40% off. And this one is 60% off of 80. I feel like I can find that somewhere else, a little bit better price. So I think we're gonna pass. Also the yellow, they don't have another extra, extra large. So now I know I need extra, extra large in the sweatpant bottoms, also a tall length if available. So I need to go into my Christmas list and change that. I will link everything down below. I ended up not grabbing anything. I didn't love any of the other logo zip ups, so I need to look on the website and see if there's a color that I like a little bit better. The yellow sweater already said they didn't have another one. And then the dress I just felt like was a little bit pricey, even though it was 60% off. I just felt like it was a little bit pricey, and I could probably find that like something similar somewhere else. It's all linked down below. I've already said that. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, thumbs up, subscribe. I think Gap does logo, like their own logo branded things really well. The quality I feel like holds up. It's a good thing I came and tried on, because I really would have assumed extra large tall would have worked. And even the extra large might be a little bit snug. I'm so close size wise to being able to make a lot of things in Gap work, but it doesn't quite, you know what I mean? Like the fit's just a little bit off, and I feel like that's because it's not actual plus size, it's straight sizes that they've just made larger, like they fit it to a straight size model. So I need to go on their website and see what's offered in plus size. If anything I tried on is offered in plus size, I will link that one in addition down below. We will absolutely come back and do Maurice's. There's also a Lane Bryant outlet here. There's a Loft outlet. There's a Polo store. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, and I will see y'all in my next one. Goodbye.